Hi, Kaikane here. Just here in Roppongi, ladies and gents. Had a crazy day of 7 private classes based all around Tokyo, and now I'm going to hit up the club with a few friends here in Roppongi. For those of you who don't know, Roppongi is the place to be if you want to unwind after a crazy long weeks of work, especially after teaching about 100 students from Monday to Friday. I am knackered, so I'm getting my drink on and club on tonight for show. Want to join? Hell yeah, let's go. Anyways, for this quick episode before I get my ass into the club, I'm gonna emphasize the simplicity of how to get rich teaching English abroad via private lessons. Just so you know actually how easy it really is to get rich teaching English abroad and by teaching private English lessons, ladies and gentlemen. If you play your cards right, market yourself right, and know the secrets of mixing business with pleasure, you will, and let me say this again, you will be able to make at least 100,000 US dollars minimum per year teaching English abroad. It's a fact, and it can happen. It did to me a long time ago, and it still does to this day, with much more than that. And many other friends of mine as well over the years. Some stayed for a few years, made their fortune, and then hauled butt back to their home countries. Others, like myself, who love all aspects of this career and living abroad, having fun, are still here playing the game, enjoying life, doing what we love to do, and of course making bank like crazy. The big question is, fellas, do you have what it takes to make it happen? My biggest year of teaching private lessons only was last year, 2017, bringing in about a clean $250,000. As long as you follow what I say and incorporate everything into your daily routine, it will eventually happen. Oh, and never, ever, ever give up. Don't be lazy. Only losers are lazy. If you're going to be lazy, you're going to be a loser. If you're going to be a loser, you're not going to have any money. And if you're not going to have any money, you're not going to be happy in life. Trust me. That's all for today. Be sure to check out my website. I'm getting my ass into the club right now. I'm going to get my drink on. GetRichTeachingEnglish.com and my book if you haven't gotten it yet. Also, if you have any further in-depth questions that need finely tuned answering, or would like to book a private one-on-one consultation to get the best advice on earth possible on how to find a rewarding ESL teaching job abroad, know where the best places on earth are to move to teach English overseas, and to learn the secret tips and tricks of teaching and how to make tons of money in the process, then please don't hesitate to book an email or Skype consultation with me via my website, GetRichTeachingEnglish.com. I also provide resume revamp, edit, and reference services as well that will definitely help you out. Have a great day. Stay tuned for more awesome vids. Love all of you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my videos. Till next time, peace out, keep it real, and stay focused.